Okay, now I will guide you to program this image. First, we use the event command to start program. We use the motion command to character to point x by 0 and y by 0. Next, we use the pen command group. If on the screen we do not have the group of pen command, we move here and there, select the pen. In the group of pen command, we use command erase to delete everything on the screen. Use the command set pen color to select the color, and use command pen down to start drawer. First of all, we will review how to control a characters moving in the square with moving blocks such as 50 steps, then rotate 90 degrees. The square has angles of 90 degrees, so we will repeat these two blocks 4 times. We will create one square. But now we want to create a spiral. The next move of the character needs to move with a greater distance than the previous time. For example, the first time we move 50 steps. The second time we will move more than 100 steps. And the third time we moves more than 150 and 4 times 200. And so on. We create the shape spiral. To this value of the change, we use command group. We add the command groups of variables to generate. Assuming here I created a variable I. And then we start. And when we start, we set I to 0, and this time the character will move I step, and we repeat it sometimes. For example, here I repeated 300 times, and each time I change this value I equal to I, then you imagine the characters will move I 0 steps. Then repeat I is increased I, then the next time the characters will move 1 step again, and the next time the character moves 2 steps. So repeated it 300 times. Now let's look at the results. But here my model is this twisted shape. How can we create this shape? Here we have the rotation angle. To create the next image, I increase the rotation angle to 121, and with many angles we can create different shapes.